Hi everybody and welcome back to my channel. I hope you are all well. So this video is based upon some new products that I received from Missu Beauty. It's a diamond glitter and it's called Celine and it's number 27. So it's part of their diamond glitter range and it's like a pinky one. It's absolutely gorgeous and I love it to bits. So while I reveal the colour of this diamond glitter to you, I just want to apologise for not being around the past 3 weeks. Haven't done any videos, it's just been a bit mad here. My little daddy has been ever so poorly, so he is sort of on the mend now, so which is why I have sort of deserted my YouTube channel for a while, so I do apologise. And all of my lovely followers who are loyal to me, I do appreciate all of your wonderful support and thank you for always being there. So I start out with a base coat from Missu Beauty. I just apply a very thin layer of this UV gel base coat to my natural nails, which I cure in my LED lamp for 30 seconds. You will notice that there is still some yellow staining on my nails after about a month. They're still growing out. I still cannot get rid of that stain from the colour powder that I used weeks and weeks ago. So I just have to bear with it. So like I say, I just cure this in my LED lamp for 30 seconds. And then what I'm also using are these reverse tips or pop-off tips, or I can't really think what else you call them. Anyway, so I just place the glitter, or the diamond glitter, on that tip and then I just place that down on my nail. Just press it down, make sure there are no air bubbles and make sure it sticks to my nail. My thumb was not the best example for some reason. I don't know why, it just wouldn't stay in place. I don't know what was going on with that there. It was just, I think I might have used too much diamond glitter, so something for me to remember for next time. However, I do cure it in my LED lamp I cured it for 60 seconds. I don't think you needed to do that for 60 seconds. I think 30 seconds would have been fine. And then I use the clear 4D gel. I just apply it here with a cuticle tool to the tip, and with my UV gel brush and some gel wipe I just dab it into place, just push it around the nail there, or the jewel form, or I don't know what they call them. Just place it on the nail there and just spread it out and position it how I want it, shape it how I would like it. I went for oval nails this time. So then again, I just place this on my forefinger and just press it down so there are no air bubbles, and which then makes it firmly attached to my nail. So, and then I cure it in my LED lamp, which I do that with each nail. Once I've done it, I just cure it to make sure that they stay in place. And yeah, I only actually film me doing this on my thumb and my forefinger because you've seen this so many times. But I don't want to bore you with the details. So there is my nail. So the next thing I do after I've done all of them is I just file around the cuticle area. You don't need to file the actual nail itself too much because it's beautiful and smooth, which of course is the benefits of using those tips. They are amazing and I love them. So yeah, so I just file around the cuticle area and then I file them into shape and then I get them ready for my gel polish application. And so the colour that I'm using is colour 132 from Missu Beauty. Now this is one of the very first gel polishes that I received from Missu Beauty, which was like about 2 years ago. It has lasted me well. I absolutely love it. It's so cute, and it's still going strong. So yeah, so I just apply this to all my nails. I apply my first coat, then I cure it in my LED lamp for 30 seconds, and then I apply a second coat again and cure that in my LED lamp for 30 seconds. And now I'm going in with my UV gel non-wipe top coat from Missu Beauty, which I cure in my LED lamp for 60 seconds. So the next thing I used was this gorgeous mirror chrome powder, also from Missu Beauty. Look at that, how beautiful is that? And just with my little applicator there, I just applied that to my forefinger, my middle finger and my little finger. And then I used my non-wipe UV gel top coat again and cured that in my LED lamp for 60 seconds, and then I wanted the colour to look a bit more stronger, so I went in and did another layer of this chrome powder, and it came out absolutely stunning. I was dead chuffed with it. So like I said, I'm just going in with a second coat, and as you can see, the colour is a lot stronger. It's like a pale rose gold, I don't know what you call it, it's lovely anyway. I was dead chuffed with it. So then I went in and applied another layer of my gel top coat, and then I popped some pictures on at the end. So thank you so much for watching my video today, guys. If you enjoyed it, please give me a thumbs up. Don't forget to subscribe to my channel for more videos like this. and don't forget to follow me on Instagram, Facebook and Twitter. Thank you so much for sticking with me, guys, and being patient with me just recently. Like I said, I've not been here for a while. I will be back to my usual routine, however I am planning on uploading videos every Monday rather than every Friday, so we'll see how it goes. So thank you again so much. I really do appreciate all of your support and all of your love and all of your comments. So I shall see you in my next video. Let me know what you think to this set, guys. I'd love to hear your thoughts. Don't forget, I do have a discount code for missu Beauty, Beautified10. That will be in the description box below, along with the links to the products that I used in this video. So take care, guys, and I'll see you next time. Bye!